Hi, my name is Larissa Green, and I'm the product manager for Spark School Software. We are an online management program dedicated to empowering alternative educators. Your teacher or school administrator at your hybrid homeschool, micro school, or other alternative school has chosen Spark to take care of their school management needs. You might have been told that your student has a portal that he or she needs to log into to see her assignments, make submissions, view her reward store, and other things. You might have also been told that you have a Guardian portal that you need to log into where you'll be able to view your students' assignments, school events, chat with the teacher, view your invoices, and so on. The purpose of this video is to show you how to do those two things and to show you what you can do in the student portal and Guardian portal once you're there. Let's get started. First, it's important for students to know that there are two different ways for their teacher or school admin to give them access to their student portal. The first way is for the teacher to create and provide the student's username and password. With this method, your teacher will have full control over the student's login information and can provide it for you at any time in case you lose it. If a school opts to use this method, they will provide you a link to this login page and tell you what your username and password is. Fill those out, and then your student will enter his portal. The other method is for the teacher to create an independent Spark user for your student. This user can be enrolled in any number of Spark schools and use the same login information for each one. Here you can see a student user who's enrolled in 4 different schools. If your teacher opts to use this method, you will receive an invitation from Spark in your email to accept the invitation to join their school. If you haven't been able to find the invitation from Spark, it could have gone to your spam folder. If you still cannot find an invitation there, ask your teacher to resend it. This is my email. The invitations will be from Spark. The student invitation will be titled Student Invitation for, and then the name of the school. The Guardian portal invitation will be titled Student Guardianship Assigned. Let me show you first how to accept the invitation for your student to enter his or her portal. If you have more than one student, keep in mind that they will each receive their own invitation, and you will follow the following steps for each of them. Go into the email and hit Join School. You will enter the login page with your student's username already entered. Simply enter a password and hit Create User. The password can be anything that you want, but you might want to use a password manager or write it down in some way so that you can remember it for the future. After you've entered the password, hit Create User and Join School. Keep in mind that at this point, we don't have an app for student portals, so it is best to use a desktop or a laptop. Once you have the password made and have hit Create User and Join School, you will be taken to your student's user page. This shows a list of all the schools your student is a part of. Your student could be part of more than one school. In this case, Beth Williams is part of Spark Academy, and I'll click on Student Portal. That will take me into her portal. This is the student portal. This is where your student will go each day to view his or her assignments. On the right column are the assignments for that day. Assignments outlined in green are due that day. Some of them your student will need to click into to read the instructions and to see any attachments or videos that the teacher has included. Some of them will also require a typed response, as in the case of this one where the student needs to type the type of clouds he sees outside. Once he's finished with that, he pushes done, and the teacher will see his submission and can send any feedback or approve the submission as needed. Assignments outlined in red are late, and assignments outlined in purple need to be redone. On the left, your student can see his activities for the day and also any daily goals he has. For instance, he has a goal of finishing a handwriting workbook over the course of the year, and another goal called Read Tom Sawyer, where he needs to read the entire book over the course of 40 days. He can also see all of the subjects that he has and filter his assignments by subject. He can go into his library and enter books that he's read. He can go into chat and chat with teachers and guardians in his school. The calendar shows school events for that month. And rewards show him what he can purchase with the points he's earned. So this is a quick overview of the student portal and how to get your student connected to it. Now let me show you the Guardian portal. I'm back in my email where I've also received an invitation from the school to go to my Guardian portal. The email will be titled Student Guardianship Assigned. Again, if you don't see the email, check your spam, and if it's not there, ask the teacher to resend it. Click into the email and then click Go to Guardian Portal. This will take me again to the login page where I have the email address that I will use to enter my Guardian portal from any device with internet. Here, I enter my password that I want to use and hit Create User and Join School. This will take me to my user page where I can see that I'm a Guardian at Spark Academy. Click Guardian Portal. Once you've logged into your portal, you'll land on your overview page. Here you can quickly see the school's contact information, your students, the school calendar, invoices you have due, announcements, forms, reports, and files that have been posted. On the school calendar, you can click on an event to view more information or follow links. In the posted items section, you can click on an announcement to view more information. You can open a form to fill it out. You can also open reports to view that and other files that your school has posted. The left navigation gives you access to more parts of your Guardian portal. My Info shows you the basic information on file for you and your students. Some schools allow guardians to edit this information, others to simply view it. If something needs updated here, be sure to contact your school. The Student Planner allows you to view the assignments that have been given to your students and all of their submissions. It can be filtered by your students, by term, or by classroom, subject, or course. You can click on an assignment to view the teacher's instructions and any attachments or links that were included. You can also click on your student's submission of an assignment to view the text or upload that your student sent to the teacher, as well as the teacher's feedback and whether the submission was approved or sent back to the student for redo. Keep in mind that these assignments and their submissions can only be viewed by you as the guardian, not edited. Billing gives you a record of all invoices that you've paid or that are due in the future. You can either download them as a PDF or go ahead and pay them online. You can also store payment methods here if you wish. My Documents allows you to upload or view documents that are part of your shared folder. Teachers or admin from your school may share documents with you here or may ask you to upload documents that they need for their records. All documents uploaded here have a high level of security that is more than ample for sensitive documents such as driver's licenses and birth certificates. Chat is the place where you can chat with your students or with the teachers in the school. You will receive an email notification of a new chat message. You can set these notification timings in the chat settings. We are currently building an app for guardians that will enable easier communication between you and your child's teachers. There may also be other minor changes and improvements made to the Guardian portal as time goes on. Please reach out to your school with any questions or for help with navigating. I hope this video has helped you learn how to navigate the student portal and Guardian portal. Feel free to go to sparkyourschool.com and click Contact Us if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and have a great day.